All right, it's time to kick off our birthdays on this 27th day of July. Ryler O'Brien turning 2 years old in Liberty, Missouri. And up in Humboldt, Kansas, also turning 2, we've got the Zimmerman twins, Presley and Cash. How cute are they in those overalls? Loving it. And we'll head south to Riverton for Katiana Bond, who's now 5 years old. I love that name, Katiana. Yeah. Chase Fosdick is 6 this year. Looks like he's had some fun in the water this summer. Chase is in Jasper, Missouri. Ryan Dooley, happy birthday to you, and happy birthday number 37 in Columbus, Kansas. And we'll head over to Chanute, Kansas for a 39th birthday celebration for Mr. Randy Schreiber. Gideon Buchanan celebrating birthday number 45 this year. Gideon is in Jasper. And Sean Wheeler turning 53 years old this year. Sean is in Fort Scott. And not too far from Fort Scott, over in Moraine, Kansas, Donna Bond. Happy birthday to you. Hope you have a great day. And we've got birthday wishes coming from Alan and Tina Grimmett out to Susan Voorhees. And Susan is in Fredonia, Kansas. She's going to have to give a shout out to Caitlin out there as well. All right. Wilson County Fair is underway in Fredonia this week. Kyle and Heather Tedlock celebrating their 4th anniversary this year. They are in Arma, Kansas. Congratulations to the Tedlocks. Now our list goes on. In Frontenac, Mr. Haggerty, Michael Q. Haggerty, happy birthday. Carney Morgan turning 73 this year. Carney is in Crestline, our neighbor there. And Chris and CJ Meach are celebrating their 4th anniversary. The Meaches are up in Fort Scott. Billy Marie Wybert, excuse me. Billy is celebrating birthday number 90 this year. Wow, that's a milestone. In Webb City. It's a good list of birthdays for us on this Thursday. That's what day it is, yeah. If you've got a birthday or an anniversary, all you have to do is send them to this email, birthdays@koamnewsnow.com. Make sure you include those pictures too. We love to share the pictures. And you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. All you have to do is go to, once you do, you get special deals from local businesses. Just go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.